Are your kidneys feeling a little under the weather? You might be surprised to learn that the secret to keeping them healthy is right in your kitchen. In today's video, we're going to explore the top 8 vegetables that are essential for kidney health. But first, let's talk about why this matters. Your kidneys play a crucial role in filtering waste, balancing fluids, and regulating blood pressure. Neglecting them could lead to serious health issues down the line. Now, wouldn't you want to ensure they're in tip-top shape? Let's kick things off with a surprising fact. Did you know that just one of the vegetables we're going to cover is linked to reducing your risk of kidney stones? That's right. Stick around to find out which one it is. First on our list is broccoli. This powerhouse veggie is rich in antioxidants and helps eliminate toxins from your body. Not only is it beneficial for your kidneys, but it also boosts your immune system. Imagine enjoying a delicious stir-fry loaded with colorful broccoli pieces. There's nothing like a vibrant dish that does wonders for your health. Next up is spinach. This leafy green is packed with vitamins and minerals. Spinach contains oxalates, which can be a concern for some, but its overall benefits for hydration and nutrient intake make it a must-have. Picture tossing some fresh spinach leaves into your morning smoothie. How refreshing does that sound? Now, let's talk about beets. They not only make your meals pop with color, but also work as a natural detoxifier. Beets promote healthy blood flow and lower blood pressure. Who knew that adding some roasted beets to your salad could benefit your kidneys in such a delicious way? Ready for the next one? Carrots are not just for bunnies. They're fantastic for your kidneys too. Rich in beta-carotene, they can help reduce inflammation. Crunching down on a fresh carrot stick while watching your favorite show not only satisfies your cravings, but also supports your renal health. We can't forget about bell peppers. These colorful veggies are low in potassium, making them kidney-friendly. They're full of vitamin C and can add a sweet crunch to any dish. Can you imagine a beautiful stuffed bell pepper filled with quinoa and black beans? Talk about a crowd pleaser. Have you ever tasted zucchini? This versatile vegetable is hydrating and low in calories. It can easily be added to your diet by spiralizing it into noodles or slicing it for a quick sauté. Done in a pinch and oh so delicious. Next on our list is cabbage. Yes, indeed. This often overlooked veggie is rich in vitamin K and fiber, and its anti-inflammatory properties make it a boon for kidney health. Think about making a coleslaw, not just as a side dish, but a go-to healthy option. Last but not least, we have garlic. It's not just for flavor. Garlic has powerful properties that can help detoxify your kidneys. Imagine the delightful aroma filling your kitchen as you sauté garlic for a savory dish. Mouth-watering, right? Now that you know these 8 incredible vegetables to incorporate into your meals, your kidneys will thank you for it. Eating these can lead to enhanced kidney function and overall well-being. If you found this information helpful, please take a moment to give us a thumbs up, drop a comment letting us know your favorite kidney-friendly vegetable, and subscribe to our channel, Health Alert Remedies. Thank you for watching, and together, let's champion our kidney health. Stay healthy.